Two cashback card titans, each boasting unique rewards, each chasing your top wallet spot. Which one really delivers? On the left, the Blue Cash Preferred from Amex, champion for grocery and streaming lovers. And on the right, the Citi Custom Cash, your adaptive cashback companion for every spend. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's our plan. We've mapped out all the major categories where these cards battle it out. Welcome offer, annual fee, cashback structure, intro APR, benefits and protections, and foreign transaction fees. So, with that in mind, let's jump right into the first category. First up, welcome offer. The Blue Cash Preferred is coming in hot with a $250 statement credit when you spend $3,000 within your first 6 months. Sounds solid, right? But yeah, the catch? It's a higher spend than some cards, so keep that in mind. Now, Citi Custom Cash isn't far behind. You get $200 back, but technically, it's 20,000 thank you points. Same 6-month window, but the minimum spend is $1,500. What's the catch here? Well, you're getting points instead of direct cash, which might be a little meh, depending on how you feel about points. Between the two, Blue Cash Preferred takes the win here. Slightly higher bonus, and it's a statement credit, which honestly just feels more real. Now, the annual fee. The dreaded cost of carrying a premium card. For Blue Cash Preferred, you get a freebie your first year, but after that, it jumps to $95 a year. So kind of bittersweet, right? Citi Custom Cash, though, no annual fee. Nada. That's literally it. The whole year, every year. If you're trying to keep costs down, it's super obvious Citi Custom Cash is the standout winner here. Let's talk about how you actually earn those rewards. Cashback structure. Blue Cash Preferred is kind of a juggernaut. You get 6% back on up to $6,000 worth of U.S. supermarket purchases per year. That's huge. Oh, and 6% back on select streaming services. It also has 3% for transit and U.S. gas, plus the basic 1% on everything else. What's the catch? There's a supermarket cap. So after $6,000, it drops to 1%. Still, that initial 6% can seriously rack up. Now, Citi Custom Cash works a bit differently. You get 5% cash back in your top spending category. Things like restaurants, gas, groceries, you name it. Up to $500 every billing cycle. That's kind of cool. It auto-adjusts based on your personal spend, so there's no need to track or activate categories. Any spend beyond that $500 or in other areas gets 1%. One thing, though, that 5% cap can feel a bit limiting if you're a big spender in one category. Overall, Blue Cash Preferred just feels more rewarding. So, yeah, it takes this round. You know what? Quick break. Here's a fun fact. Heavy grocery shoppers with Blue Cash Preferred can actually rack up hundreds of dollars a year just in cash back. It sounds made up, but nope. Real savings if you max out that grocery bonus. All right, switching gears to intro APR. Blue Cash Preferred gives you a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers, but it only lasts 12 months. Not bad, but not super long compared to some other cards, especially if you like to spread payments. Citi Custom Cash, though, stretches it out to 15 months, so 3 more months of no interest. Just keep an eye on the balance transfer fee. It's a chunky 5%. Still, if intro APR is your main thing, Citi Custom Cash is winner here. You get more breathing room. Next up, benefits and protections. This is where Blue Cash Preferred starts flexing a bit. You get purchase protection, return protection, extended warranty, and even car rental insurance. Plus, and here's something cool, there are streaming credits for Disney Bundle, which can save you up to $84 every year. Not too shabby. Downside, as always, is that annual fee lurking in the background. Now, with Citi Custom Cash, the benefits are more basic. You get MasterCard's ID theft and fraud protection and exclusive access to Citi Entertainment. But that's really about it. There's no purchase or travel protections. So, gotta call it, Blue Cash Preferred absolutely dominates here. Last category, foreign transaction fees. On Blue Cash Preferred, the fee is 2.7%. It's not perfect for international travel, but it's still a bit lighter than most. Citi Custom Cash, though, charges a full 3%. Not a huge difference, but if you travel abroad even a little, those decimal points add up. So, Blue Cash Preferred gets the edge here, but honestly, neither is exactly a travel card. All right, if you plot these cards side by side with points from every category, you'd see Blue Cash Preferred kind of running away with the rewards and perks. Citi Custom Cash shines on flexibility and low cost, but you'll notice the perks and bonuses for Blue Cash Preferred are pretty hard to beat. So, what do I actually think? Here's the quick rundown. If you're all in on groceries and streaming, Blue Cash Preferred is just insane value. But if you're the type who switches spending between categories or really doesn't want an annual fee, Citi Custom Cash actually makes more sense. Definitely pick the card that matches your lifestyle for maximum benefit. All right, that's the full breakdown. Seriously, if you found this helpful, don't forget to save this info for your next wallet upgrade. Catch you in the next